Watch out, watch out.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it.
Before we begin, let me explain what you are about to hear. This is a real 911 call and police encounter that took place in San Francisco. In the call, a resident reports that someone has broken into their house and then tries to escape by climbing onto the roof. The suspect is seen leaving toward York Street, dressed in black and stumbling, possibly injured. Shortly after, police officers arrive at the scene. You'll hear them giving loud commands, shouting "drop it" several times, and then the suspect cries out in pain, saying he has been shot and needs help. The officers quickly call for paramedics and try to control the situation. What follows is a tense moment between the police and the intruder. Now, let's listen to the actual audio of the call and incident as it happened.
911, what's the exact location emergency?
Hi, someone is in my house. He's just leaving. He was in the yard, but I think he climbed the roof and now he's leaving.
Said he climbed onto your house?
I am inside the house, and then I hear noises
11:08
upstairs, and I think he was in the roof,
seconds.
and I just saw him running away.
Okay. And which way is he going?
He's going towards York Street. He's wearing all black. He's not walking very fast. It seems like either he's injured or something. I don't know, but he's stumbling.
You alright? Come over here. Let's get it's cars. Let's go over here. What's that? Hey, back. Hey, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop it, drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it. I need to
I'm fine without you.
I need to apply pressure.
No, it hurts, man. It hurts. Hey, I'm obviously awake after you shot me. I can breathe, man.
Paramedics on the way. What's your name?
Yeah.
You said 101 northbound at the Cedar Chavez home craft. Come up the wrong way.
I'm seeing little.
If you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure to like, comment, and share it with others. Your support really helps me bring more content like this.